Welcome to Gutter Hero, your gutter cleaning and gutter guard installation experts. In this video, I'm going to talk about our service rates. Gutter cleaning starts from $250 including GST. Gutter guard installation starts from $36 per linear meter. If we need to come and rescue your gutter guard, expect prices from $880 including GST. Gutter cleaning, we've got 3 tiers of service. We have the basic clean, we have the thorough clean, and we have the rescue clean. The basic clean is between 2 and 4 hours, prices between $250 and $440 including GST. That's for gutters that have been well maintained, not an excessive amount of stuff in the gutters, easy to access, or like a smaller house that might have a lot of stuff but in the gutters but not such a very big house. Then we've got the thorough clean. Now the thorough clean, it's between 4 and 8 hours, starts from $440 all the way to $880. That is for a house that is just heavily littered with rubbish. There might be soil inside of the gutters, plants growing out of the gutters, weeds growing out of the gutters. It's just chaos up there. The final tier of service is the rescue. So if you don't clean underneath your gutter guards every 2 years, you'd need to get the gutter heroes to come and perform a gutter rescue. And that takes 8 hours and above to rectify an entire house. We unscrew the gutter guards, clean out all the debris that's stuck underneath, and put it all back together. Let's go deeper into the pricing for gutter guard installation. Starts from $36 per linear meter all the way up to about $50 per linear meter. The difference in the factor of the pricing depends on the type of roof, the access, and a few other anomalies. Solar panels can affect the speed and the rate at which we can install the gutter guards. Also, steepness of the roof. But most houses are between $1,600 and $3,600 for a complete gutter guard installation. That's the installation, cleaning, and supply of the materials. To be honest, we got very fair pricing. I would say that we are middle of the range pricing. You can go higher than us. That you'd get some big company that'll come in that has to pay a lot of wages to staff, etc., and may use fancy vacuums and things to suck all the rubbish out. But yeah, you'd have to pay extra for that. Then you can get cheaper than us, but that's going to be just someone that doesn't really work on a roof that often. They might just be coming around, blow all the rubbish out of the gutters. But I feel that you get very good value from Gutter Hero because we do such a thorough job, we spend that extra time. You'd also be getting that extra information about your roof. So if you're convinced now to use our service, please click on the red booking button on gutterhero.com.au. Or not quite convinced, you can click on this video here that gives you information on why we think you should use Gutter Hero. Or if you've got a few questions, click on this video over here, and that answers a whole lot of frequently asked questions about our service. So thanks a lot for watching.